Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the couch, I'd rather sleep in the booth. Can't believe I...
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tatiyonna Raelynn back with another video. I'm doing a frontal install with 3 bundles in the back. Right now I'm just having her hold the sides while I sew it on tightly. And I did the bleaching the knots, the plucking, and the braid pattern off camera. If you guys would like to see that, just let me know and I'll do that for you guys. Right now I am sewing and you guys can't see, but I am going to turn the camera around and you'll see from the back in the next clip. So yeah, just continue watching and let's get started. We're done sewing, so now I'm taking her foundation and just putting it inside her lace so that it could look more like a scalp. After that, we're going to go ahead and apply the Ghost Bond glue. I'm going to apply about 3 to 4 layers of that with a popsicle stick, and then I'll go ahead and tie her frontal down and start sewing in her bundles. I want to apologize to you guys early because my arm is in a few of the clips. I'm so sorry, but this is all the talking that I'm gonna do, so just continue watching. Yes, honey, she is laid. We are all done. I did the curls off camera. If you guys want to see something like that, just let me know. Thanks so much for supporting. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.